All right, everyone, welcome back. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Truckie. It's time for another roller coaster ride. This time we're going on Afterburn at Carowinds. It's the tracks above you. You got your feet dangling in the breeze. We like to call them the dangle feet style from Roller Coaster Tycoon. They had a standard coaster in there. I always put it in all the parks. So it's called dangle feet. It's just this style. Everybody's been on them. They have tons of those Batman clones out there. Banshee at Kings Island is really at the top of the list for me as far as on this particular style. You can see him up there in the red car. And I don't know, we'll see how it compares. Theming does play on rides right now. I'm pretty happy. There's some shade from the trees over here, and they have the F-14 right there. So my guess is this was maybe Top Gun once upon a time, and then they switched over to the Afterburn. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Let me know in the comments. That's my guess. There's Afterburn flight gear, so they looks like the store may or may not be open. I'm not sure what's going on there, but beautiful. They got the wings back. It forms that delta wing shape there. So the theming so far looking good. We'll jump on the ride. There it is behind us, and we'll see you on the ride. We're gonna get on it next. All right, so the entrance is to the left. We basically just took you to the back side of the ride, and that's where that F-14 is. So on we go. Boy, there's nothing in the queue here. This might be a walk-on. There's so few people. Sometimes I get confused in parks when there's no line. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know which way to go when you're new, and then it's like, oh, maybe it's this way, and you just kind of go, and you're like, oh. But anyway, we got to see some nice theming, so that may help with my rating at the ride at the end of it. So we'll have to see. I'm sure it will play. But anyway, walk right through the queue, just breezing right on through, and oh boy, this is what we call a walk-on. So I guess we'll just take a little look. Peeky here. I don't recommend these LEDs to any theme park because the sun just totally blacks out the screens, and it's basically a blank stereo. You can't really see anything, so it's an idea. Oh yeah, this is gonna be quick. Let's see what it looks like. It is a total walk-on. Awesome. Off we go. Walk in, walk on in the front. Oh my goodness. We waited in line for Nighthawk for like an hour and a half too. Hour and a half. It was so hot we couldn't record. Crazy. So there's the train. The floor drops down. Over here by the phone. Number 4 is in the back there, back corner. Don't know if you can see her. And then this guy seems to me to be doing all the button pushing. Answered the question great, so top notch. Compliments. For all new boarding passengers, thank you, Jay. Shout out to Jay.
Anyone having for all new boarding passengers, please be seated and pull down on your shoulder harness. Please pull your shoulder harness down securely against your chest. Anyone having difficulty with their shoulder harness should notify the ride attendant becoming live shortly. Please take this time to secure all loose and valuable items. Carowinds is not responsible for any articles lost or damaged during your ride. Please remain in an
oh boy, I got a little bit of room.
Looking straight ahead at all times.
Not bad. Boy, these hand restraints and everything are a little bit sticky. It's a hot one. I always like this style. We'll see how this compares, you know.
Yeah.
So what would be your number 2? Is Banshee your top in this style?
Banshee, yeah.
Yeah. What do you got for number 2? You got a choice? I mean, the Batman clones are like almost all the same.
Those are, yeah, I
So, yep. They're in almost every park for sure.
All clear?
Oh, we're all clear.
All clear.
All clear we go.
Ready to dispatch.
I know what Becky's favorite roller coaster is. That's Joker. The spinning one. No, she doesn't like that. Probably Ricochet. It's an old wooden coaster. Not, oh, they may be Blue Streak. Probably Afterburner. Up and away. Oh boy. Here we go, everybody. One for the road. Okay. Wow, that last one got me. And that was a hard stop. Holy smokes, I hit the brakes.
Wow.
I banged the right ear on just on that last one. But that was just like, for inversions, how many?
Holy.
How many was it, 7?
That was a lot.
Was it 7? I don't know. Damn. Damn, okay, so I'm gonna have to debate it.
Wow.
But that's definitely went to number 2 on the list for this style. This beats any Batman clone out there, hands down.
Oh.
The more they slam me in this brake run, the less the ranking will be. But, yeah.
That was pretty good.
All right, well, I'm gonna catch my breath here and we'll see you for the full review. We'll tell you what we think. All right, that's gonna wrap up Afterburn. What'd you think?
I really enjoyed it. I wasn't expecting some of those loops though, like that one initial first loop. I was like, whoa.
I thought it was great. You know, this had some good speed right out of the gate. It's got 6 different types of inversions in there. You got like a batwing inversion there. That one was a little bit rough, but it was all good. No, I really had a great time. The loops were great. Good pacing, good theming. All in all, I think it's probably my second favorite out of this style. I'm gonna say Banshee's at the top of the list. So if you like this video and you stuck with this long, check that one out. That's probably my absolute favorite in this configuration. And thanks for sticking with us. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. There'll be new videos out all the time. We do cruise ships, we do food reviews, buffets. We'll probably hit a buffet on this trip. Check those out if you'd like. We'd appreciate that. And we'll see all of our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.